Hello guys and teacher. In this moment I'm going to do my personal presentation. My name is Lady Marcela Quebrada Morales. I am 31 years old. I am from La Dorada Caldas, but I live in Dos Quebradas, Risaralda in this moment. I am an administrative assistant. In my free times I practice sports. I practice spinning with my brother. My hobbies. I love reading books, psychology books, and watch psychology movies, and listening to music, and to cleaning my house every day. I love cleaning my house. Okay, I'm going to talking about my family. I live with my brother, my sister, and my daughter. My brother, his name is Diego Alejandro. He is 25 years old. He is a businessman. He is tall. He have a green eyes. He is a handsome man for me. He's very handsome. And my sister. Her name is Laura Vanessa. She is 19 years old. She is very organized and intelligent girl, and she have a short hair, and she's tall too. Finally, my daughter. My daughter is my life, is my love. I love my daughter. Her name is Ana Sofia. She is 9 years old. In this moment, she is studying. She is a girl very intelligent. She is very organized. She loves movies with me and play games with me too. And she's short, and she have a long hair, and she have a brown eyes. Okay guys and teacher, that's it for today. Thank you very much. I see you. Bye.